Autonomous delivery is moving beyond single floors. 3E8 Robotics recently demonstrated a robot that can detect and press elevator buttons, enabling true multi-floor autonomy in high-rise buildings. Breakthroughs like this rely on dependable SLAM perception and autonomous navigation under real deployment conditions. Elevators, reflective surfaces, dynamic humans, indoor-outdoor transitions, and changing maps. GuessR Inc. provides remote on-call SLAM perception and autonomous navigation engineering support during deployments and field testing without adding a full-time engineer. Robotics teams use GuessR on a monthly retainer to maintain reliable autonomy across platforms and sensor configurations through drift reduction, sensor fusion tuning, failure recovery, or any other autonomy request as needed. Contact GuessR Inc. for SLAM autonomy, perception, navigation, and deployment critical autonomy support.